All right, we got about 2 minutes until market open. We had a overnight gap up here on QQQ. We had some market sentiment recovery in the Asian markets, so more appetite for risk on. No bad news is good news in terms of escalated Iran escalation. So far, so good. Looks like the market is positioning itself for the tech earnings tomorrow and Thursday. So we'll see how today goes. But today I'm liking a break and retest out of this previous day high, pre-market high area of QQQ. I could go with just an opening or breakout right at market open, but I don't want to do that. I'll wait for a retest entry on the 1 minute if it's within the first 10 minutes. I also like pre-market low bounce area right above my hourly level. Don't really like shorts um, with how the market sentiment is. So I'm not really looking for shorts today. Really just looking for longs, break and retest above here, or pre-market low bounce. If I don't get any of those, then most likely not a trade day for me. Don't really have strong news today either, so most of the action will most likely come tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. I'm going to have 707 calls loaded up here. Let's see if it breaks through pre-market high right at market open with uh, low sell-off. Market open. All right, it's a strong push. See if we can hold my hourly or previous day highs as a support area for a bounce. And we're right at previous day high. Flush below it. We're right at VWAP though. Rejecting the hourly level. SPY is rejecting pre-market high as well. I was contemplating a short pre-market open, pre-market high here as well, but the market sentiment was just too strong overnight. But it looks like I need to start considering these rejection plays right at pre-market high as well. So we slipped past previous day high, so I'm not looking to enter unless we can reclaim above it or get down to pre-market low for a bounce. Apple's looking strong. Nvidia is rejecting previous day high. Google is selling off. Amazon selling off. SPY rejecting pre-market high still. On the 1 minute we have decreasing volume on the sell-off, so we might get some seller exhaustion here. I'm still selling off. See, pre-market high, push up, wicked, could have entered right there on the pushback down below pre-market high. I was looking for a short play. About 18 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. See how it closes. Really not interested unless we get down to pre-market low and hourly level for a bounce or break above previous day high, pre-market high area. Well, it's been pretty light this week. Under a million on the first 5-minute candle. Strong bounce around this area. Back above previous day high. I'm entering longs here. Hell. Tried to. Had technical difficulties. Immediately rejecting. Should have waited. My slight delay in miscalculating contracts cost me. This is where I wanted to take it down here. Stopped out. So frustrating. Should have waited. Pre-market high and opening print acting as resistance right now. That's where I could have went short instead. Need to stop having such a long bias. I want to give longs another go here, but I need to see it break above previous day high. There we go. I'll wait for this 5-minute candle to close. Look at that. All right, I'm giving longs another go here. Let's push up. Immediate rejection again. No strength. No trend last 2 days. Should have just saved my powder for the next 3 days like I told myself beginning of the week. Stopped out. That's frustrating. We're rejecting previous day high in the hourly level. That's what happens when I have long bias. Just getting shorts again. I'll gonna call it a day before I start going on tilt here. Pretty frustrating start to the week. Down 900. Yep, should have went short. If it's not bullish, just go short. Oh, shouldn't have chased the first trade on the previous day high break here. Shouldn't have forced this entry here on the pushback up. If it didn't push the first time, it's failing again, making higher lows here than pre-market high and opening print. Could have went short here for a break and retest a previous day high to the downside. Overall, frustrating start to the week.